Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay April 23, 2025, Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong April 23, 2025, Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, April 23, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2 p.m. draw ng 3D Lotto. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for April 23, 2025, Wednesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, April 23, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of April 23, 2025, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.